All right, we are live once again. We are live once again. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ontarian Hawkins here. I'm the passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the psychology of a good Forex trading EA, expert advisor. As you guys know, I've been really pushing this because I believe in it. And the second reason is because the times we're living in, people are looking for not only passive income, but legitimate passive income that comes in day in and day out, whether they like it or not. People are busy these days. People have families. When I first got started in this industry, I was pretty much what you call a traditional affiliate marketer. Basically, I worked very, very hard. I still work hard today, but I really worked hard to establish my brand, to establish a lot of different things, my foundation when it comes to passive income. Now, the end of the story, is passive income. Okay, that's the end result that people are looking for, and people are not looking to, so to speak, set up autoresponders or buy traffic and things like that. That's great, and there's a lot of opportunity out there to do that. But what I believe people are looking for these days is a way to make money 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And that's what we have here. Okay. So let me start off by sharing my screen here. Of course, I always like to show you guys statistics before I get into everything else. Okay. And I'm going to talk about the psychology of the expert advisor. Okay. Of the software that I have that can bring you passive income. So we just ended the month of June, and for the month of June, on just this one account, I was able to do 30% gain. Now, mind you, I started this particular account a week late. Let me repeat that. I started this particular account on trading gold only 1 week late. So it was only the second week of June when I started this, and it still yielded 30% gain. Today it did 1.2%, $41. Now remember, I told you can earn up to $50 a day. Now the reason it's really supposed to be $49, but what happened was I accidentally placed a trade on this account, and I immediately closed out $8 a loss, and that's why you see $41. Other than that, it would have been $49 or rounded up to $50. For the week, almost 8%, and this is not for the year. This is only for the month. 30.45% in the month. As you can see, it's trading gold only. Okay, you see the growth here. Now, let's get into the psychology when it comes to Forex EAs. Okay, what do people look for? How do you gauge to see if this EA is going to perform well? Well, let me go to my other screen here. All right, so this right here is Forex Factory. This is where I come on a regular basis to see what type of news we have coming out. As you guys, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you that the first week of every month is called NFP week, which stands for non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll. We also have, that happened today, we had OPEC what's called OPEC meetings that happened today as well. So that was all day today. And then on top of that, we have NFP, or non-farm payroll, which happens tomorrow, non-farm employment change, which these particular weeks usually are very volatile, okay? And a lot of people who trade or run expert advisors take caution to NFP week and these type of meetings, OPEC, okay? Now, what does that mean for you when it comes to expert advisors? One of the main questions that we get when it comes to expert advisors is, what's the drawdown? How's the drawdown? And how much can I make? Okay. Drawdown is the number one question. And then how much can I make? And then how does the bot do? How does the bot do in these particular instances where there's high interest news? These red folders are high interest news. Tomorrow we have high interest news. And the psychology of it all is, if the bot can survive high impact news, it can survive anything. As a matter of fact, remember 2 weeks ago, we had some major Fed news and EURUSD interest news 2 weeks ago. This is around the same time, around June 16th, right here. This is around the same time that I acquired COVID-19 for the second time, and I was in the bed. I was bedridden. I was in quarantine. I couldn't do anything. I didn't even know this was going to happen. Now that I know that, this type of news, the Fed news comes out quarterly, I'm going to make sure that the bot is not operating. But the Fed news or the interest news is probably the more higher risk news, even higher than NFP week, even higher than OPEC. And let me tell you something. This is EURUSD. Let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. Gold had the same drop that EURUSD did around June 16th. So when EURUSD dropped, guess what? Gold dropped. And guess what? My bot was on. I didn't turn it off. I was in the bed. I didn't get a chance to even turn it off. And when this drop happened, guess what? I looked at my account and said, oh my goodness, this thing is dropping. And even though I went into some drawdown, guess what? It recovered and made some major profits. Okay. In other words, what I'm trying to say is, if this particular EA can survive probably the most volatile interest news or the most volatile conditions, it can survive anything. Think about that. Okay. Think about what I just said. If it can survive this drop right here, because a lot of people, and I had one particular gentleman reached out to me and said, hey, people's accounts are being blown right now because of the interest news and everything. And when he came to me, he said, how's your bot doing? Talking about the bot that I'm running right now. I said, well, I'm in profit, man. I'm in profit, sir. So we're still good. We're all good here. Okay. So that's what this is right here. So the psychology again of it all is, if it can survive the most dangerous type of situation when it comes to news, it can survive anything. Okay. My account did not blow. My gold account didn't blow. My EU account is still standing, and it's doing well. It's doing well. Okay. So let's go back here. Okay. So here are the stats. Here are the stats right here. Now let's look at some more testimonials. Go to the Telegram group, because we're getting testimonies after testimonies after testimonies of people who are loving this particular EA. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let's go to, here we go, Lazy Money Millionaires. Okay. See Cedric 1500 in 2 days right here. He's posting his results in the group. Tony Green posting his profits right here. Let me scroll up so you guys can see this better. There you go. That's gold. He's doing gold and EURUSD on one account. Keep going up. Who is this? Dre Dawson posted his $62.06. And the gold made him $94.06 right there. Congratulations, Dre. Look at this right here. Look what Cedric said. He said, "You are right. The EA passed the test today's news." Yes, it did. I'm in $15 drawdown and $1,300.11 profit in 2 days trading with the EA. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to let you know that results are not typical. Your results may vary. Just understand that. Okay. Bernard had a great week, over $2,000, guys. Had a great week. Let's go. Tony Torres giving a shout out to my business partner for a good customer service. My man Tony Green is handling everything on the back end for me. Let's see here. I shared my FX books yesterday with everyone so they can see. Guys, we're getting, again, everybody's making money in here. Vinny, $210. I believe that's in a week with gold. He said, "Love this bot." Okay. He loves it. All right. Benjamin, $624. I think he's just trading gold as well. Congratulations, Benjamin. I'm sorry, Benjamin. And then this is his EURUSD account right here. Okay, so that's documentation beats conversation, guys. And these are coming in daily. People, they're loving this. You know, we're giving everyone the settings that they need to do well here. And that's what it's all about. Okay, that is what it's all about. All right. So this particular EA is doing very well. And like I showed you the other day, let me just do a quick recap of what I talked about the other day. The gold side of things is we're averaging about $50 to $100 a day. Okay. So depending on your goals, you can pretty much almost, keyword almost, create your own paycheck, so to speak, and how much you're wanting to make. Okay, so let me draw this out for you once again. So let's say you hook up to gold and you put it on automation. Remember, the gold EA, the settings that we have is, I believe, is the perfect settings for any condition. Now, we're going to let everyone know when high interest news come out like it did a couple of weeks back. We're going to let everybody know, hey, turn off the bot. Do not risk it. But other than that, this is NFP week. It's been running very well. Tomorrow is actually non-farm payroll. Today was OPEC, which is also volatile. So I believe the bot, you know, if you're on conservative settings, like I tell everybody to be on, some people have more higher risk setting, higher risk taste than others. That's okay. But if you keep it kosher, then everything is going to be okay. All right. So let's just say, you know, you want to come out and say, hey, Ontarian, I saw that the bot makes, you know, roughly $50 to $100 a day, roughly. Okay, not guaranteed, but roughly. Okay, roughly. Keyword roughly. That's what I've been seeing. Okay, and $50 to $100 a day, $50 to $100. So let's just stay on. Let's just stay on the low end. Let's just stay on the low end. You know, if you say, hey, I want 4 different accounts, you know, 4 different accounts at that's going to make me $50 roughly a day. You know, $200 a day, guys. Again, it's life-changing money for a lot of people. Okay, $200 a day is life-changing money for a lot of people. And if you do that 5 days a week, guess what? You know, you got $1,000 a week extra coming in, right? But what if you want to expand? Okay, you can do that. What if you want to expand? You do an army of 4 more. Okay, you do an army of 4 more, because these are armies. I call them little armies. At $50 a day, and all I'm doing is giving you guys a scenario. Okay, based off of my experience, based off what I've seen, and again, I always test these things out, guys, before I talk about them. You know, those of you who've been following me, you know, I always test them out beforehand, based on my observation, based on my experience, based on what I've seen, based on how it handles high interest news. This is feasible. So you got $200 here. That's if you do 8, $400 a day. Could you handle $400 a day? What is $400 a day? That's $2,000 a week, guys. Okay, that's $2,000 a week. Now you got to have a certain amount of money in your account, mind you, right? You want to have some cushion. You know, my account, this particular account right here, I started it with a little over $2,000, and it grew to $3,400 and counting. 30% gain for last month, and started that particular account in the second week of June. Okay, so it's going to continue to grow. It's going to continue to grow. All right, but the goal is to have multiple little armies of gold working for you at the same time. Now, the other thing that I'm doing, and I put it, and I started this the other day, is I have one account where I also have gold and EURUSD trading at the same time. Okay, they're trading at the same time. So you got double the fun. You got double the fun. There is no set amount that EURUSD is given every day. There's no amount. It's definitely getting profits every day, but I'm not seeing a set amount. Unlike gold, you know, we're seeing up to $50 to $100 a day. Euro varies every day. Okay, so add on top of the $50 minimum that you're able to acquire, ultimately, potentially, you have a little bit more extra icing on the cake right here. Okay, so that is what that's about. Hopefully this is getting you guys excited as I am. We have members joining us daily, weekly. They've never seen anything like this. They've never experienced anything like this. This is not a martingale type of bot. Okay, because a lot of EAs out there are martingale. This is completely different. This is completely different, the way it trades. I may have to do another video to give you guys the psychology of how it trades, really how it trades. Because, well, let me just give you a synopsis, and I have to do another video later. Basically, I'll just do something real briefly. Basically, the bot as far as trading, let's take EURUSD because that is what it mainly trades. So when the market is ranging, up, the bot is placing buys, and it's also placing sells. Okay. When the bot is ranging down, it's placing sells, but it's also placing buys. So it's designed to give you profits either way the market is going. If it's going up, it's placing buys. If it's going down, it's placing sales, and vice versa, because it's designed to push out profits very fast. Okay, it's kind of like a little scalper in a way, but it's not. It's really hard to break it down until you really experience it and you see it for yourself. But it's far from a martingale because it doesn't do what a martingale does. It's designed to bring you consistent profits, whether the market is ranging up or ranging down. Okay, and it kicks in like that. Now it has the other thing it has a risk management feature inside of the bot as well. So what does that mean to you? Well, let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to where EURUSD had that big drop. Okay, this is what I mean by a risk management feature. When this big drop happened 2 weeks ago, when we had high interest news, the Feds, okay, when it made this drop, and this, mind you, this was over a 300 pip drop, by the way, 300 pip drop. It dropped so low. The bot did not place trades until the drop started to kind of pull back. When it made this drop, no, it was a gap. It gapped. There was no trades being placed at the big drop. It started placing trades when it felt that the market started to pull back. That is the intelligence. That is the intelligence that we have with this particular EA, and a lot of other features on the inside. Okay, so that is my time, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, you know what you just heard excites you as much as it excites me. I'm earning money every day, you know, in my sleep, 24/5. Many of our members are earning money every day as well, and they're loving what they are experiencing. Okay. The other thing that I encourage you to do is learn this Forex skill. Learn this skill. You know, I'm in a company called B4X where you can learn it. You can also earn while you learn. You can pretty much mirror trade with the experts. I took a couple of copy and paste trades the other day, and both of them hit my take profits. Well, hit the take profits that were given, and all I had to do was just copy what the expert did. Okay, and it works. So thanks for watching. I'm going to leave some information below. The best way to get started with this is to reach out to me on Facebook. You can find me under Ontarian Hawkins. You can also book a time to speak with me. I'm going to leave that link below as well. Let's get you started. Let's get you on some automation, and you're not going to be sorry that you got started. Okay. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.